Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Firestick to laptop HDMI. Let's go. Install OBS. Connect the Firestick to your laptop via capture card. Open OBS. Add source. Video capture device. Device, choose Euro capture card. Options, full screen projector. Choose Euro capture card. That's it. Now you know how to connect Firestick to laptop with HDMI. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.